Hello students, today I am going to teach you the keyboard and I am going to tell you this will be a beginner lesson. I am going to teach you all the notes, what are the notes on the keyboard, what all these keys are there on the keyboard, what we call, what are the names of these keys. Okay, so first of all I would like to explain you the difference between a keyboard, harmonium and a grand piano. See, a keyboard is very much similar to a harmonium and a piano. Okay, harmonium has less number of keys and it's a acoustic instruments. It's an acoustic instrument. It works without any electricity. Okay, we need to just bellow with the hand, with our left hand, and we can play with our right hand. So harmonium works in that way. A grand piano is also an acoustic instrument. It works without electricity. The keys are always struck on the strings, so the sound is produced in that way. So the keys are little heavy. Okay, and this is an electronic version of a key. This is an electronic version, okay, of a piano, and we have little less number of keys compared to grand piano on this keyboard. So students, first we need to learn what are the names of the notes on the piano, okay, or on the keyboard. So the very first note on the keyboard you can see is the white key, which is called a C key. After that is a black key. This is called C sharp. Then D, then D sharp, then E, then F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, and B. Okay, so these 7 white keys are also called natural notes, and these 5 black keys are known as sharp notes, sharp keys, or flat keys. Okay, so I'll come to that point a little later. First I want you all to focus on the white keys. So the names of the white keys are C, D, E, F, G, A, B. So in music we have C, D, E, F, G, A and B. Okay, are you getting? So there is no H comes in music. All right, and these black keys are called sharp keys or flat keys. Okay, so after every white key, whatever the black key is coming will become the sharp of that white note or a white key. So this is C, so this will become C sharp. This is D, so this will become D sharp. This is E, this is F, so this will become F sharp. Now you can notice between E and F there is no black key, so there is no E sharp key is there. And same after B, there is no black key. After B immediately the C is coming. Okay, the next C is coming, so there is no B sharp either. So from C to B altogether, including the black keys, we have total 12 keys. So we have 12 notes in music. So this is the easiest way to understand. You can assume that we have 12 notes in music. Okay, rest all is the repetition. So this is the sequence from C to B, including the black keys. After that there is the same repetition, keep on going. Okay, and this from C to B, including the black keys, this set is also called an octave also in music. This is also called an octave as well. Okay, every octave has a pitch. So this is one octave, then again this is another octave, and keeps on going. So in this electronic keyboard we have total 5 octaves. All right, we have total 5 octaves on this keyboard, and every octave has a pitch. So on my very left, this first C to B, this is also an octave, and this will be called a very low octave. Okay, because the pitch is very low and we cannot match our voice with this octave. It is very difficult to take our voice to sing on this octave, to take on very low octave, take our voice very low to match the notes of this octave. After comes this octave, this is called a low octave. We can sing few notes of this octave, okay? And then this is a middle octave, which is called a third C to B. So generally, the singers, we sing very comfortably on this octave, okay? This is a middle octave. Then high octave, we also sing few notes of the higher octave, and the trained and the accomplished singer even can sing the entire high octave, even the entire low octave also. Those who can sing, the singers, those who are the accomplished singers, those who have trained a lot, they can sing the very low octave also and a very high octave also. And after that, a very high octave, okay? So why these all the keys are there on the keyboard? Because we play the keyboard with both the hands. Now what we play on the keyboard? See, we play, as I have told you, we play keyboard with both the hands. So from the right hand, generally we play the melody, okay, melody or a tune of any song or any music. And to make that melody more beautiful, we add chords into that, okay? So suppose I am playing this song, हर घड़ी बदल रही है. Let's take an example. I am playing a song, हर घड़ी बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी. So first I am playing only with my right hand. I am just playing a melody, okay? Alright, I hope you all have got it. So right now I have played only with my right hand. So now I am adding my left hand into it. Now I am adding chords into it. So you will immediately see, you will understand how beautiful when we add the chords into it, how beautiful it sounds. Okay. So now you can see. Now you please see. You can easily understand and you can easily assume how beautiful it sounds when we play with both the hands. When we add chords into any melody, it sounds so beautiful. So same thing we also have to do. We also have to learn. We need to learn to play with both the hands. Okay. Now, initially we will start only with the right hand. Okay, to play with the right hand so that our fingers can start running on the keyboard. Later we will come to the chords part. Okay. So, to run our right hand on the keyboard, we need to learn scales. There are different type of scales in music. Okay. So, initially for the beginner level, for the start, we will learn two types of scale. That is a major scale and a minor scale. Okay. I'm going to explain you what is the difference between a major scale and a minor scale. So first we will learn how to play a major scale. Now, as I have told you, there are 12 keys on music from C to B, including the black keys. But we will learn major scales. For now, we will learn major scale from C to B. Only the natural only from the natural notes we will be learning a major scales from the natural notes. For example, C, D, E, F, G, A, B. So initially we need to learn the major scales from the white keys. Okay. Then we will move to the black keys, sharp or flat keys, and then we will come to the minor keys and chords. Okay. So initially we have to learn a major scale. The first priority is to learn major scale so that we can start running our fingers on the keyboard. So first example I am showing you of a C major scale. And I will also explain you how this C major scale has been formed. Okay. Now, there is a very simple formula to find or to make a major scale. And that formula is tone, 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 semitone, tone, 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 semitone. Same repetition. Okay. So 4 notes, total 8 notes. So one tone, 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 semitone, and then again you have to repeat the same pattern. Tone, 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 semitone. So altogether we have to play 8 notes. Now how we will apply this tone, 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 semitone? Now I will explain you. See. Now we have to play a C major scale. So first we will find the C key. So I am starting with the middle C, which is third C. So this is first C, this is second C, and this is third C. So I have pressed this C. Okay, so my first tone is done. Okay, now to find out the next C, we will skip the key which we have already pressed. So we have to skip the next key which is coming, the key which we have already pressed. So after this C, this black key is coming. So I am skipping this and I am playing this note. So this is our next tone. I hope you all have understood. I am explaining you once again. We are playing a C major scale and now we are applying the formula of tone, 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 semitone, tone, 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 semitone. This formula we have to apply. Okay. So I have pressed this C. We are making a C major scale. Okay. So this is our first tone is done. For the next tone, we have to skip one key which is coming next to the key which we have already pressed. So this is this key which we have already pressed now, C. And after that, this C is coming. So I will skip this key and I will press. I will skip this key and I will press this key. So this is our next tone. Okay. So for tone, you understand we have to skip one key. Okay. For the next tone, again, this is the next key is coming. So I will skip this and I will play this key. So this is our next tone. So we have completed 3 tones as of now. Okay. Tone, tone, tone. Got it? For semitone, we don't need to skip any key. Okay. Our next key will be our semitone. So this is the key which I have already pressed. Now I don't have to skip any key. Okay. Our next key is this. So this will be our semitone. So tone, 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 semitone. Got it? Very simple. Okay. Again, we have to repeat the same pattern. Till now we have done tone, 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 semitone. Now again the same pattern, 4 notes are remaining. The pattern is same, tone, 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 semitone. So I have pressed this key. So I will skip again, this key is coming next. So I will skip this and I will press this key. So this is our next tone. Okay. Again I will skip this key because this key is coming next. So I will press this key. So this is our next tone. Okay. Again I will skip this key and press this key. So this is our next tone. Got it? And for semitone we don't need to skip any key. So this is our next tone. Alright. So this C major scale, we have found all the notes of C major scale. So C major scale is done. So tone, 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 semitone, tone, 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 semitone. So we have found all the notes of C major scale. Now there is one more thing which is remaining. That is, now again we have to apply. There is a finger pattern also which we have to apply and we have to play according to the finger pattern. And that finger pattern is, see, we have 5 fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to, the finger pattern is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And while coming back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sorry, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2 and 1. This pattern we have to apply. How we will apply? Please have a look. We found all the keys, tone, 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 semitone, tone, 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 semitone. Now I am applying the finger pattern into this. So tone, tone, tone. Got it? So 1, 2, 3 and then slightly I will put my thumb on the next key. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And while coming back, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And slightly I will put my this third finger to the next note. 3, 2, 1. Got it? So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Got it? So this is our complete C major scale has been done. So this is the way how we need to play the C major scale. And we have to play the C major scale on a 4/4 time. How we will play this in a proper timing. So your speed or tempo can be little slow as well, because when you will start you will find it little difficult, so you can put your speed little bit down also, but the timing between every note should be same. Okay, it shouldn't be like this. Okay, this is wrong. You are not supposed to play like this. Your speed can be high or low, but you cannot, the difference between every note should always be same. Speed can be slow also, like this. Speed can be this also. Got it? But it shouldn't be like this. Shouldn't be like this. Okay, so your C major scale is done. So this is one example. Another example I will show you of D major scale, and after that you have to find at least E scale you have to play by yourself. Okay, and later on you can show to me. So D major, I am showing you another example. This is a D key. Our first tone is done. I'll skip this key. This is the next tone, and after that this key is coming. So I'll play this key. So tone, tone, tone. 3 notes we have found. For semitone, as I have told you, we don't need to skip any key. So tone, tone, tone. After this key is coming. Okay, don't press this key. Don't because we don't have to skip any key for the semitone. So tone, 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 semitone. Okay. So we now 4 notes we found. Tone, 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 semitone. Again we have to find tone. So after this key which we have already pressed, this key is coming, so we have to skip this key and we have to play this key. So tone, 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 semitone. So this is our next tone. Again we skip this key. This is our next tone. Again we have to find tone. So after this key is coming, so this is our next tone. Okay, and after we have to play a semitone. So after this key is coming, so this key our semitone. This key will be our semitone. All right. So tone, 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 semitone. Tone, 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 semitone. Okay, so this is how we'll find another scale we have already found, D major scale. Another example I have shown you. Now once you will find all the notes, again you will apply the finger pattern 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1 3 2 1. Got it? So how you will apply this? 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1 3 2 1. Got it? So you have done with D major scale also. Now your homework is to find out a E major scale by yourself, and in the next class I will see how you have done your E major scale, and as well I will also listen C major and D major. All right. In the coming classes, we will learn the minor scales as well, and we will come to the chords, how to form a chord. Okay. So for today and for this class, we are done with this. I hope you all have understood all the notes and everything. You can keep on listening to the video, and more you will understand. I will upload this, okay, on a chat box. And till the time, stay safe and take care of yourself. Thank you so much, students.